Hi everyone, in this video I will guide you how to use hidden tab leader setting in Microsoft Word. Adding tab leader makes a table of content significantly easier to read, whether you are building one from scratch or updating an existing one. So if you are typing your table manually and want the dots to appear when you press the tab key, you can set a custom tab stop and don't do the manual settings. So first you need to select the area where you want the dots and then go to the home tab and then click the small launcher arrow in the corner of the paragraph group, and here it is. Click on that and then you need to click on the tabs button at the bottom left of the window. And now first you need to click on the clear all, and then in the tab stop position you need to set the position, for example 4" for by default, and here you need to also set the default tab stops is to the 4". And in the alignment you need to select the left, and in the leader you need to select the option 2, and now click set and OK. How a professional table of content should look using dot leaders to connect the heading to the page number. And for example, first is the introduction, double dot, and just press the tab, and here you can see that it automatically stop at 4" in the middle of the page. And type 2, market analysis, and press the tab position, and here you can see that. And number 3, for example, implementation of plan, and press the tab. Number 4 is the financial projection. And so with this way you can easily use hidden tab leader setting in Microsoft Word and make your table of content professional. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.